the news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a total nationwide lockdown for 21 days. The Prime Minister said that the move is necessitated by the fast-spreading nature of the novel coronavirus. And he said that this will be a kind of a curfew more stringent than the Janata curfew. The Prime Minister cited experts' opinions and to underline, in fact, social distancing is the only way to tackle the coronavirus, and that India, in fact, will have to pay a very high price if we fail to observe social distancing. He appealed to the people to stay at home for the next 21 days.
हेल्थ सेक्टर के एक्सपर्ट्स और अन्य देशों के अनुभवों को ध्यान में रखते हुए देश आज एक महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करने जा रहा है। आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए, आपको बचाने के लिए, आपके परिवार को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
I'm so bored. Hey, let me talk to Danvi. Oh, Vedukti. Hi, Vedukti. Hi, Danvi. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I am fine too, but I am bored. Do you want to attend the online dance classes? It was very fun. Let's go here on every day. Okay, sure. Okay, bye Vedukti. See you in the online class tomorrow.
Good evening, girls.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, all of you switch on your video and stand.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I do my prayer?
Wait, as you all know, this is Corona time, and because of that, we are going to do our dance classes online. So I know that many of you are in different levels. We will try and see how we can do a multi-level class today. And once we figure out what our problems are, then we will move to a segregated level-wise classes. Okay, so right now I want all of you to first do your prayer. All of you, can you do your prayer now? Yes. So now stand in your position and we will start the Samhita. Can you keep your phone in landscape, please?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now?
Yes, this looks fine. Okay. Yes. Stand in Samam. Yes. Samam, Mandalam, Aramandi, Murumandi. Samam, Mandalam, Aramandi, Murumandi. Now you all have to sit in Murumandi and do 20 counts. Sit in Murumandi, all of you. Sit in Murumandi.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Wait, did you cover anything?
Kriti, can you just switch on your video and just repeat what you said? What did you just say?
Ma'am, I'm so sorry I joined late. Did we cover anything?
No, we just started the exercise. That's so sweet of you, Dhriti, to apologize. See, girls, if you are late to class, you should apologize like Dhriti did, okay? Very nice. Okay, Dhriti, we are doing the Murumandi jumps. Sit down. Sit
Okay,
down
ma'am.
and do the Murumandi jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. So all of you are doing the Natadavas. All of you are doing the Natadavas. So just to see, we will do the fifth Natadava. That is this Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Ta Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Ta. Okay? Yes. Stand all of you in position. Yes. Samhita, can you push your phone a little down? Prasidha, go a little back. Ready. One. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tayyum Tattat Tayyum. Prasidha, Samhita, we are doing the this one. We are doing the fifth Natadava. This one. Okay? Ready. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Ta Tayyum Tattat. Prasidha from the right. Yum Tam Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Ta Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Tam. Start from your, all of you lift your right hand and show. All of you have to start from the right side, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Tam Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Tam Tayyum Tattat Tayyum Tam Tayyum Tattat Tayyum. We were learning the Yagaru Tatta Adava, right? So I am going to show you the Yagaru Tatta Adava. Okay? Girls? Yes. Okay? You can see my legs. This is my right leg and this is my left leg. You can see one black thread on my right leg. Okay? So it is going like this. The jati is tat tai taha. We will do it like right, left, jump, right, left, right, jump, left, right, left, jump, right, left, right, jump, left. Okay, that is how it goes. Let us just see, we have revised it earlier in the offline class. So let's just see all of you do that online, girls. Shall we just stand?
Ma'am, only the leg.
Only the leg you have to do, okay? Only the leg. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Right, left, jump, right. Khushi, if you keep your phone like this, I will not be able to see your leg, no?
Ma'am, now can you see my leg?
Yeah, now I can see your leg. But I cannot see your face now.
Ma'am, now?
Go and stand, let me see. Yes. Girls, you should always remember to keep your phone in such a way that I can see. Samana, now I can't see you. I can't see your hand and leg. Go and stand. I should always be able to see both your hand and leg at every point of time. If at all you have to do if you have to learn online, I should be able to see your full profile all the time. So just go and stand, girls. Let us just do the leg movement only of the Yagaru Tatta Adava. Okay? We are going to do the leg movement only. Khushi, can you just move a little back? Danvi, can you hear me? Okay, I think she is busy. Anyways, yes, let's just stand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Only leg movement, right? All of you have to sit in Aramandi. Left, jump, right. Left, right, jump, left, right, left, jump, right, left, right, jump, left.
Auntie, we can't see you. Ma'am,
Auntie,
we can't hear you. Auntie, we can't see you. We can't hear you.
Can't hear you.
Can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Maybe she got a call. Wait.
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you. Neither can I see you. Is anybody able to hear, ma'am?
Wait, ma'am will come.
No, we can't see, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am will come. Have some patience.
Sorry, girls, I got a call in between. Okay, okay. Stand. Now come and sit, all of you. Girls, who all are writing the ARTHRA exam this year? Can you just raise your hands? I think it is Chaitra, Samhita, Vainavi. Who all wrote the Samana, Vedokti, all are getting ready for the exams.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the Sanchari people are asking whether we can do the exam online. Do you think we will be able to do this online? Vainavi?
Yes,
Vainavi, where are you? Vainavi, do you think you can do the test online?
No, ma'am.
You don't think you can do the test online? Why?
Ma'am, I think we will do the video and send it in as a YouTube link.
You can send that. Very nice. How about the others? Chaitra? Samana, what do you think?
Yes, ma'am. I will be able to do it online. Ma'am, I will be able to do it
You
online.
will be able to do it online. Samana, what do you think?
Yes, ma'am, we can do online.
Let us just try. Kushi has already done the exam. Kushi, what do you think? Is it doable online? And Vedokti, do you think you can do it online? Whatever we did offline, can you do it online?
Yes, ma'am, we can do it. We can try our best and do it.
Yeah, Vedokti, what do you think?
Yes, ma'am, we can do it online.
We will do it online. Prasida, do you think you want to do an exam online? I think you're too small. You'll be able to do.
No, ma'am, I can't do it. I'm too small. I'm not even
Too
9.
small. Next year, I think you can do. Little bit more practice, you will be able to do. Okay. Now, everybody, you have to. We are going to do the hastas. You can start the hastas now.
आमचा पक्षाला तांबडा त्रिशूळा.
How do you mute everyone? Does anyone know how to mute everyone?
Ma'am,
Oh my God, girls, you are not allowed to know. How do I unspotlight myself? Where is that? Now only I can see myself. Where are all of you? Okay. Oh, finally. Girls, you have to do only in mute. I know you know all the hastas. You do in mute only hastas, not the shloka. Okay? Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and start. Yes, very good. How many of you are doing Alaripu? Ananya Raghunathan, what are you eating? Ananya, what are you eating?
Ma'am, I'm not eating anything.
No, Ananya, it's not you. No, not you. Ananya, what are you eating?
Ma'am, I'm not eating anything. Ma'am, I'm not eating
No, not you, not you.
I'm not eating anything.
Not you, not this Ananya. Anara, where are your Ananya? Ananya, why are you eating? Okay, you're not supposed to eat in class. You should eat. This will be dinner time. Then you won't be able to eat your dinner. Okay, Ananya, is that okay? Okay. Now everybody stand. We will do Tishra Laripa. Who all have to do Tishra Laripa? Okay.
Mom, I have a doubt.
You have a doubt. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, for the Trishla Alanpu, we have to start with right hand or left hand.
Ayo, how many times have I told you? Every time you do dance, you have to start with which hand? You have to start with your right hand. Oh my God, this is my right. My right. This is my right. This is my, yeah, this is my right. Okay, everybody look. The one where I have not worn the bangle is my right. My God, such a complicated. Okay, everybody now show your right.
Ma'am, this is my right.
Okay. Now
Ma'am, this is
Vedokti and
my
Aradhya,
right.
what are you doing there, both of you? Some talk is happening there, I think. Okay? Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. While
You also,
sitting,
who has a doubt?
Aradhya, while sitting, should we do right hand or left hand?
Which one you want to do, right? Every time, whether you sit or you stand, every time, which hand will you start with? Everyone unmute and say the answer.
Right hand.
Right.
Right hand. Right hand.
We'll always start. What is the problem now?
Ma'am, tomorrow also we have class.
Yeah, you have class every day of the week. Okay, 3 days a week you have to have come to class. After a few days, we will check whether this is going right and then we will decide. Okay, now stand up, everyone.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we can't hear you or see
Ma'am, we
you.
can't
Sorry,
hear
guys,
you.
I
We
was
can't
having
hear
some
you or
network
see you.
Sorry, girls, I was having some network issue. I was trying to, somewhere I went somewhere and I was trying to come back into the meeting. I had network connection issue. Okay. Next class, I will resolve that. Okay. Network issue I had. Network issue. Okay. Now we will do Tishra Laripu. Everybody stand. Okay. Can everybody see me and hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now stand, everyone. We will do Alaripu. Aradhya Naveen, where did you go? Where are you? Dhanvi, I'm calling you for the. What is this, Ananya Vinod? What are you doing in your house? She's doing hula hoop. Ayo. Ananya, you are. This is Bharatanatyam class, Kuti. You are not supposed to. She's very happy. Ananya, should I tell your mom that you are doing? I think I have to make Ananya the class leader. Then she will not do hula hoop and then she will bring discipline into the class. Girls, in dance class, you are not supposed to eat snacks. You are not supposed to do hula hoop. And you are not supposed to play. Vedokti, look at your sister. What is she doing there? She's doing some running game.
Sorry,
You are
ma'am.
not supposed to play. Yeah, see? But Aradhya always apologizes. She's a good girl. Okay? You're not supposed to play. You're not supposed to eat snacks. You're not supposed to run around and do other work. You're only supposed to do Bharatanatyam. Is that clear? Now let us do Tishra Laripa properly. Okay? Now we will do Tishra Laripa properly. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes. Stand up.
So I'll be sitting.
Yeah, you can sit because you don't know Tishra Laripa. You have to sit quietly, okay? You can switch off your video if you want, but the moment you are called for your dance, you have to switch on your video. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am,
start.
can you see me?
No, Prasida, I can't see you. Can you hear me and see me? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I couldn't see anyone,
Do
ma'am.
only the first
Ma'am,
part
how
of the
is it
Tishra
seen?
Laripa since we have learned only that. Yes, Prasida, I can see you now. Stand up. Stand in your place. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, tai, taiyum, ta, ta, taka, ta, tai. All of you hold your hand here and do. Hold your hand on your hip and do. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, tai, taiyum, ta, Ta, kita taka ta, tai, ta, ta. Prasida, I can't see you. Tam, dit, tam, kita taka tai, ta, tai. Yes, Sadhana, you got your right correct. Tam, dit, tam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, dit, tam, tai, ta, tai, tam, dit, tam, tai. That time, Nimni, why are you late to class?
Hi, Bhavana. Sorry, yaar. There was just too much going on. Your kids just came from school. And 1 minute, huh? Hello? Hey, listen, I'll call you back, yaar. I'm in the middle of something else, yaar. Okay, bye. Ha, Bhavana. Sorry, yaar. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, guys, we are doing
Take
Tishra
that
Laripu.
cat away. What? Bhavana, 1 minute. Take that. What nonsense she's crying in the middle. Bhavana, one minute.
Okay. Relax. Okay. Let's finish this Tishra Laripu first, and then I'm going to tell you the rules of the online class. Now, what do you want now? No, I cannot mute you more. What are you coming here for? What do you want? Wait, okay, guys. 1 second. I have got somebody here who's asking me for food. 1 second.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Yeah, I'm on mute. Sorry, girls. Full of no, everybody is at home. Everybody is sitting at home. Everybody wants food all the time in my house. I think you're also eating. Yeah, see, everyone wants food. Whenever it's COVID, everybody wants to eat all the time. You'll all become very, very gundumanis to eat too much. Okay, don't bother your moms. Okay, now we will do Alaripu first part one last time. And then I will tell you the rules for the online class. Everybody has to note these rules down, as in not write it down, note it down in your mind. And then you have to do it properly. Okay? Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, tai, taiyum, ta, kita taka ta, tai, taiyum, ta, kita taka tam, dit, tam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dit, tam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dit, tam, tai, ta, tai, tam, dit, tam, tai, ta, tai, tam, dit, tam, tai, ta, tai, tam, dit, tam, tai, ta, tai. Yeah, I'm going to tell you the rules for the online classes. First and foremost, you should try and come late, early to class. If you come late, please apologize, just like Diti did. Okay. There may be technical glitches for both for me and for you. So if at all I face a technical issue, then I will inform you. Don't make noise when I am in a call, or because there are things happening at home also. Try and wear your uniform as much as possible. Aradhya, Naveen, why are you not in uniform today?
Ma'am, my mother is stitching it.
Your mother is stitching it.
It
But
is
you get
because
in
it was
COVID time.
stolen.
Yeah,
I will
okay.
get it tomorrow.
You'll get it tomorrow. Very nice. Okay, so you should try and wear
Where
your
you?
uniform every day. Now, the second rule is that you should keep your phone on mute all the time. Okay, only if you have to ask something, what will you do? You have to raise your hands and ask doubt. Okay, you raise your hands, or I will give you time for doubt. That time you can ask your doubts. Okay, don't ask in between, don't interrupt the class, and always remember, Sadhana, which side will you always start with?
Right.
Right. My God, this cat, Nimni, your cat. See, cats, dogs, uncles, aunties, brothers. Oh, nobody is allowed. Only me and you. If you bring your cat, dog, make noise, I will throw both the cat and the student out of class. You cannot eat snacks in class. If you are hungry, you can take a break and go. I'll give you water break. That time you should quickly go and eat and come back. Okay? Every class there is water break. That time only you are supposed to eat. Oh, you should not run and play. You should not do hula hoop. You should not sit like you have a headache, like Samita is sitting. You should sit properly and play. attention to class. Okay? You should not be on the phone. Hello? You should not be on the phone. Okay? You should not talk on anybody's phone, not your own phone, not your mother's phone. And always remember, Kushi, I might show you my leg because you need to see only my leg. But I need to see both your leg and your head and your hand and everything. And I should not see too much disturbance at the background. Try and get a good background and do properly. Okay, now, like good children, we are going to do Mushika Vahana. Okay, and then that time only you have to ask doubt. We will do Mushika Vahana. First 3 shlokas. Are you all ready? I am going to share the music. Anyone knows how to share the music? How do you share the music, girls, in Zoom? Anybody
Present the screen. Ma'am, I know how to
go to share screen. Yeah, I have clicked share
Ma'am,
screen.
we need to go to share screen and there's a button called share sound.
Oh yeah, I got that. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to share the song. Please tell me. See, if you don't unmute, okay? If you can hear, you just show like this. Show thumbs up and then I'll know you can hear it, okay? Yes. You can try.
मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्त चामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते.
I think we are going good, okay? Hopefully, there are small mistakes because many of you are from multiple batches. I'm not able to make out. I think a better idea will be to have level wise. So probably from the next class or from the next month onwards, we will try. You have to please inform your friends also that the class is going on well. Okay, you have to inform your friends. And when more people come in, we can have level wise classes. So each level will have, so many of you did not do Tishra Laripa, many of you could not do many of the dances because some dances some have learned, some have not learned some other dances. Okay, we had done one Radha Sameta Krishna Samhita, you remember? I had asked you to take home video of that one. I'm just going to show you a snippet of that where Samhita has done Radha Sameta Krishna. I think, wait, so it is there on our channel and I will just show you that part, okay? Where it was taken as video. And a few of our senior girls had also done some dances. I mean, they had taken Maitri Bhajata for World Music Day. So I will show you a snippet of that also. Okay, 1 second.
Ma'am, will you present?
Yeah, I'll be presenting 1 second. Do that, okay?
Krishna
There is Amrita, there is, who is that, Dripti, there is Vainavi, who are all there here. This was taught to them and then they have done in from their homes. Now there is another one of Dhanvi and her mother. Okay, let me just see where that is. Not able to see this. I'll just see that. Okay, 1 second. I'm just. That's nice. That was Dhanvi and her mom dancing. And then one more I'll show you. This was done by the senior group for whom the classes are currently happening as a separate batch. They have been coming from the beginning for our online classes.
अखिल विजेत्री मैत्री भजत अखिल विजेत्री मैत्री भजत अखिल विजेत्री मैत्री भजत अखिल विजेत्री मैत्री भजत अखिल विजेत्री आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल विजेत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिल विजेत्री
It was nice, ma'am. Ma'am, it was very nice.
Beautiful.
Nice. Dance was very beautiful. Ma'am, it was very beautiful.
Ma'am, it was very beautiful. Ma'am, it was so beautiful.
Ma'am, we're not able to hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Ma'am, we're not able to hear you. Ma'am, we're not able to hear you.
My audio.
Ma'am, come.
So I said that this is a snippet of our online activities. I hope to see. Please inform all your friends that classes have started online. And I think this is going to be the way forward for a few days now. At least till things look better. Thank you so much for being some of the first people to come for class and to give me that chance to learn. We are all learning in this process. We all have to help each other and support each other. Thank you so much for being there. Please inform all your friends and do come. I hope more of you come, and then we can segregate batches and have bigger and bigger classes and more activities, more and more videos, more and more fun. Okay, you can do your prayer now. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.
You can leave the meeting now. Bye.
Bye.
Remember the online rules, okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
should
yeah,
I log
yeah.
in?
Yeah, you can log out. You can log out. Yes, I'm going to end the
Ma'am,
meeting.
after log out, should I again log in
No,
immediately?
no. You can leave it. You can leave. You can leave. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
bye,
Okay,
bye.
bye. Bye.
Bye,
Bye. 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 Whew. So that is the online class. I hope things look up soon. Okay, so we are going to start the first Natadav. Everybody sit in Aramandi. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, tam. Tayyum, tat, tat, tayyum, tam. Now come and sit, all of you. We will do the hastas. Sit. We are going to do the Asamyukta hastas, which are the one-handed gestures. I am going to tell you the name of the hasta and you have to show me. Sandy, can you just put your phone a little in a different angle because I'm not able to see your face. Yes. Okay, let's start. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardhapataka, Kartari Mukha, Mayura, Ardhachandra, Arala, Shukatundaka, Mushti, Shikhara, Kapitta, Kadaka, Mukha. Very good. Okay, girls, I'm going to play the song for Kudaludi Manamella. Stand in position, hold Krishna Mudra and stand. Rudila, please go and stand in your place. Go back and stand.
குழலூதி மனமெல்லாம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட பின்னும் குறையேதும் எனக்கேதடி குழலூதி மனமெல்லாம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட பின்னும் குறையேதும் எனக்கேதடி சகியே குறையேதும் எனக்கேதடி சரியே குழலூதி மனமெல்லாம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட பின்னும் குறையேதும் எனக்கேதடி சரியே குழலூதி மனமெல்லாம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட பின்னும் குறையேதும் எனக்கேதடி சரியே குழலூதி மனமெல்லாம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட பின்னும் குறையேதும் எனக்கேதடி
Okay, girls, we will be now doing the Tishra Laripa. I'll be just playing the song now. I want all of you to please stand in position. Please stand in position and do not unmute.
Ta tei tei yum ta tam kita taka ta tei tei yum ta tam kita taka tam ne tam kita taka tei ta tei kita taka tam ne tam kita taka tei ta tei kita taka tam ne ta tei tam ne ta tei ta tei tam 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 ta tei ta tei
పురుషుడు గోపాల బాలుడైనాడు ప్రహరుడు ఎదుట ముద్దుగారేనిదిగో పరమ పురుషుడు గోపాల బాలుడైనాడు ప్రహరుడు ఎదుట ముద్దుగారేనిదిగో
ತಂಗಡತಗ ತರಿಕಿಡತಗ ದಿಂದ ತದ್ದಣ್ಣ ದಣ್ಣತ್ತ ಧಿನ್ನ ತಂಗಡತಗ ತರಿಕಿಡತಗ ದಿಂದ ದಣ್ಣತ್ತ ಧಿಂದ ತಂಗಡತಗ ತರಿಕಿಡತಗ ದಿಂದ ತದ್ದಣ್ಣ ದಣ್ಣತ್ತ ದಣ್ಣತ್ತ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣ ಜಣ್ಣತ್ತ ಜಣ್ಣತ್ತ ತದ್ದಣ್ಣ ದಣ್ಣತ್ತ ಧಿನ್ನ ತದ್ದಿಂದ ಧಿನ್ನತ್ತ ಧಿನ್ನ ತರಿಕಿಡತಗ ಧಿನ್ ತರಿಕಿಡತಗ ಧಿಮ್ ಧಿಮ್ ತರಿಕಿಡತಗ
വിമലേ മെല്ലെ പരിഗ്രഹ ഭാരം
India is maintaining a declining trend in its active COVID caseload as the nation reported fewer than 3 lakh cases for the 10th consecutive day.